So the situation is I've got a leaky solenoid or something. This thing is just leaking like crazy. So I had to replace it. Looks like the guys who installed the sprinkler system glued the kind of glued it in this way, and so I can't just like unscrew these parts and like replace this thing easily. What I did, I just cut the pipes, and I'm just gonna like glue it back on, just like continuing the half-ass job. Thumbs up. Okay, so we got the new what do we call this thing? Sprinkler valve. Got the new sprinkler valve in, and got the wiring all set. Here's what the old one looks like. See, they did glue the ends of it, so that's fine. I don't know. These things are like 15 bucks. It doesn't happen too often, so gonna wait a few minutes and then we're gonna test the water and see how everything plays out. So I just turned on the water and testing the sprinkler, and looks like it's running just fine. So, all right, thumbs up.